Rahubat. Greetings and welcome to Ancient Egypt Actual Facts audiobooks. My name is Nahassan Amun, and I am a student teacher of the Master Teacher, Oᴜʀ Eᴛ, also known as our Sovereign Grand Commander, His Excellency, Dr. Malachi Zkayok Okran, 33 degrees over 720 degrees. We Nuwapian Sabaeans let it always be known that the Master Teacher, Dr. Malachi Zkayok Okran, is innocent, and that all of the charges and allegations made upon him are false, and he is about to come home. He is free. This is an update given to us by Oᴜʀ Eᴛ. Let's begin. These are the requirements. If you do not fit perfectly in that seat, you will not make it, which means you cannot be too big and you cannot be too small. You have to eat right. When they do call your name, it will be the Zeta Reticulin grays. Grays have no emotions, so you cannot cry and plead to a gray by saying, I want to be on the same Henu as my child or mate. They may be on another Henu, and you cannot cry about what you were going to do, because these grays have no emotions. Ba'aba said he cares about us, and that we have to get on the right path for this transformation. Ba'aba can vouch for you, but if you're not right on the inside and out, then he can't do anything about that. He said if you've been helping with his case, he can vouch for you. And if he knows you've been in this fight, he can vouch for you. The seat on the Henu is made specially for you, according to your 0 time reference. And if you don't make it on that seat, then that seat will remain empty. There are 144,000 seats, but there may not be 144,000 souls, alive or dead, because they are coming from both. Names will be read, those that are alive and those that are dead. All of the children under the age of 7 automatically make it. Those children 7 and above are intelligent to know right from wrong, etc. So if you have children, make sure that you keep them on the right path, so they are not led astray. We do not have much time. The time is now. Now. Our etheric counterparts, let my words be known. Question: what happens to you when you have a dream and you don't want to wake up? He said, you have found grace and have met your counterpart who is not a different or separate being from you, but you, a part of you in another dimension. What about when you're trying to communicate with someone on the other side? In order to communicate during that time, you must be asleep or in a meditative state, almost like being in a sleep state. You have to drop down to a certain level. An example will be going down 3 levels, notes or octaves of A. A is the natural tone of the body. Nature's tone is C, and the universe is F. The gate itself opens about 2:30 a.m. and closes around 3:30 a.m. So we say 3 a.m. and we call it a shift, as what we call time shifts as well. You cannot connect them. Your counterpart will make that connection and bring them to you. So, for example, if you're trying to reach a loved one, it will occur during this time. That's why you hear things about the witch's hour. Witches and warlocks start their rituals around 12 a.m. midnight. You can also share dreams with your counterpart, yet when they wake up, that is the end of their dream. That is why you are unable to remember that dream, or you forget really quick, because it was actually your counterpart's dream. You're actually experiencing through your dreams or meditative state portions of your counterpart's life, and once you wake, you sever that connection because their day ended. So does that mean your double is speaking inside your head besides your ancestors? That's a very good question. No, your counterpart is you and speaks at the same time you do. They are opposite everything you are. If your counterpart is right-handed, you will be left-handed, and vice versa. While you are speaking, they will be speaking, yet it will sound backwards here, and you would sound backwards there. You may ask, why don't you remember seeing or meeting your counterpart? That's because he or she remembers seeing you, and it was in their dream. Another example, when you share a dream, or you get to a certain place or an alley, or you remember seeing a Popeyes or a KFC, being in a certain place, and it is not there, then later in another dream it is there. That's because your counterpart told you it's there. Once you pass on to the next realm, you will merge with your counterpart and become one. It is like the pyramid symbol, as above, so below. The pyramid of the physical plane is the same as the spiritual, yet opposite. It is the same principle. The ancient Muhammad Egyptians have a picture that shows this concept where it has two people or pairs of legs standing in opposites of each other. Panabab Yanun.